how to connect your headphones in your Zoom meeting. So you should be able to do this little procedure over here, but it's better to do both as well. So the settings in your device and also the settings in the Zoom meeting call at the same time. So first of all, in your device settings, you can go ahead and search for your settings, of course. Then go ahead here into your system and just find your sound section. So make sure your headphones is actually plugged in into your device. So take a look at for indicators, or maybe your headphones is actually working in a different app. But as long as your headphones is connected, you should be able to see the output of your headphones over here. And just go ahead and choose the headphones that you have. So it pretty much depends on what model or brand your headphones are. So just go ahead and find your headphones from the output. So find the name, of course. It may just be called USB or something, a USB input or headphones, something like that, or like this, which is our USB audio device. Just go ahead and find that. Once you've done that in your device settings, you can go ahead to your Zoom meeting. So in your Zoom meeting, you can go ahead here into the setting. So press settings and go ahead into your audio. Now, in your device settings, it should already be set to default since you chose your headphones, but you can always go ahead and check here as well. So for your speaker, go ahead and choose your USB audio device or whatever your headphones is called. So go ahead and find it here and make sure the microphone is, of course, the microphone you want. Maybe your headphones does have microphone, then you can just go ahead and choose the same name. So it has to be the same. So in our case, speakers 3 USB audio device and 3 USB audio device, since our headphones also has a microphone. But anyways, once that's all done, you can just go ahead and press X over here. It should just automatically save once you toggle that on. And that's pretty much how you use or connect your headphones to your Zoom meeting or your Zoom. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.